Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, and my name's Cara, and I am going to show you my favorite salad dressing. It is a miso tahini dressing, keyword miso. I know a lot of people do tahini dressing recipes, but they keep leaving out one of the most magical ingredients, the most magical ingredient in the recipes, and that is miso. Miso and tahini are just a match made in heaven. When you're going to be dealing with tahini, it's always a great idea to salt it with miso. Okay, so I got my miso here. Real simple ingredients: water, lemon juice, tahini, miso, and garlic. Okay, and then I have my simple basic salad. This is just a quick salad I threw together. My usual salads have like 25 different ingredients in it, but that's for another video. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start out with about a 1/4 cup of tahini. I like tahini raw and sold in glass containers. Living Tree is a good one. Okay, and then I have lemon juice. Let's see, we got about 3 tablespoons in there. A nice chunk of miso. I like the light miso. It's the flavor's a little lighter and more mellow. It's about a tablespoon I'm gonna put in. Okay, clove of garlic. This one has a bite out of it. I just am like this during the day. With a little salt on it. Poor Marcus. So.
What did you spit out? The paper?
I got the paper. Usually I avoid the paper. But anyway, so I got about a garlic clove. This one half. And my water. I'm gonna start out with a cup, maybe that much, and here we go. Okay, so your salad dressing, the thickness is a personal choice. Nice. Oh, it tastes so good too. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it over my salad. This one's a little on the thin side, but it will thicken up. And then I like to add a little salt to my salad, nutritional yeast, pepper, and all this good stuff, but, well, all right. Just gonna put a wee bit of nutritional yeast. Oh gosh, why is the nutritional yeast so delicious on salads? Okay, so there is a basic tahini dressing with the magic ingredient, miso, and it is heaven. Oh my God, oh, it's so good. I forgot my cherry tomatoes. Throw those on top. Okay. Real basic salad dressing, but so delicious. My goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna clean my blender. I'm gonna show you guys just a really quick trick to save time cleaning your blender and making it more efficient. Because under the blades of your Vitamix, a lot of food particles do not get cleaned and they hide. And it's, building bacteria, stuff like that. So what I do is I fill it up with a little bit of water, a little bit of soap, and just throw it back on. And I turn it on and it really gets the blades down there clean too. Boom, so now it's really easy to clean and the blades are nice. The blades don't have food in there anymore either. So there was just a quick little Cara kitchen tip for you, and I really hope you guys, if you love tahini dressing, you are just gonna love the miso tahini dressing, okay? Thank you so much for joining me and watching me show you guys how to make magic in the kitchen without hurting animals or the environment, okay? Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye.